Hey, Ohioans and gun owners, think you know the effects of Ohio's permitless carry law on gun violence? Well, buckle up because we're diving deep into the facts, and what we found might just surprise you. In June 2022, Ohio made a bold move. They allowed residents to carry concealed firearms without permits. It's been a hot debate ever since. But let's cut through the noise. What's really happening on the streets of Ohio? Many feared this change would skyrocket gun violence. After all, more guns without permits sounds risky, right? But the Ohio Attorney General's office and Bowling Green State University had a different story to tell. They analyzed data from 2 years pre- and post-law. And guess what? The results were not what you'd expect. In 6 out of 8 major Ohio cities, gun crimes actually went down. Places like Toledo and Columbus saw significant drops in gun violence. And here's a shocker. Police safety, not significantly affected by the new law. So what's the takeaway? In most cities, more concealed firearms didn't mean more crime. It seems that responsible gun ownership might just be compatible with public safety. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Cities like Dayton and Cincinnati saw slight increases, highlighting that local factors play a big role. As Ohio continues this constitutional carry journey, it's a story of rights, responsibility, and surprising revelations. The debate isn't over, but for now, the data speaks volumes. Ohio's experience is a crucial chapter in the national conversation about gun laws and public safety. Stay tuned, stay informed, and as always, stay safe out there. Thanks for joining us on this look into Ohio's gun law impact. What do you think about these findings? Sound off in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more myth-busting and eye-opening discussions. See you in the next one.